So guys, I was making hair of my mini client, and she has been a consistent one. Came for a redo for Christmas hair. One thing about this my mini client is that she doesn't stay at a place. You have to be struggling with her head. She has really picked up now. She has really tried. Let's say like 6 months ago, it was really tough making her hair, but now I think as she's growing, maturity is setting in and she's sitting down a bit for her hair. One thing is that she struggles to keep her hair in one place. So we are mixing this extension, both gold and black, one gold, one black. So that's how I'm making it. Even with her disturbance and everything, as a professional, I don't mind, but sometimes it can be very strenuous on your back trying to follow her neck. She was busy on her iPad, but after all said and done, at least we could make the hair unlike before it was just her and tears, because I guess she doesn't like to sit down at a place for long. Now I think she's fine. We continue to make the hair just the way the mom wanted it. Mom is very, she wants the girl's hair to be on point, And after making it, she will say, "Oh, Miss Blessing, you've done a great job. Princess is looking all beautiful. Love the coils." So this remaining part of the hair now that I'm dropping, it's for the luscious coils that will be following. Yes, see this my girl here, she likes shakara. They say a child likes shakara. This is a girl. She doesn't pack her hair, she leaves it flowing like that throughout her carrying of her hair. She doesn't pack it. So we'll make it a bit bold because I said earlier she doesn't like to sit down for long. That was it. One thing I won't fail to mention is that the mom was very helpful. She was arranging the attachments, making sure we don't run out of it. So if you're watching to this point and you have not done the needful, follow, share, comment and like, yes, that will be doing this page a lot of good. You struggle, you pull it up, you should take it down back. You pull it up, you should take it down back. It's not easy. Making a child's hair is patience, If you don't have patience, you cannot even be a hairstylist. You must have patience first, because you deal with so much clients. Like now,
you said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye.
so sorry to say this, but it's when you're making someone say the nature of the person. If the person is a stubborn person, you will know. As a hairstylist, if the person is an easygoing person, you will know. That's how the job is. So if you're spirited and maybe you really know what you're doing, you will know. That's how the job is. Yes. Just wait for a while.
been searching, silencing your mind. Trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say goodbye. You set the rain on me, and I just wanna understand everything that led us here. The teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say goodbye.
But this is me coiling the hair. I did the rope coiling bantu knot on. So after tying it like this, then it is time. But before I did this, I didn't put it on camera. I stretched the hair a little. So before you now put it in hot water, and voila, you get this coils.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise.
She's doing a magic. Right?
Go and swap it. Can you shake it a little? Oh God.